Alright, hey Majestic, just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to do this instead of typing it out. But anyway, just go to Google and search for Speccy, S-P-E-C-C-Y. It'll come up and you'll see it's under the CC Cleaner website, but right underneath it you'll see Speccy right here. So just click that. It'll bring you right to the Speccy download page, and there's two versions. Obviously, just click the free version, click download, right, and then go through the setup and just install it. It's really simple. It'll install it to your C drive. It's a very small program, very lightweight, very easy. After you have installed the program, just go to Start and type in S-P-E-C-C-Y, Speccy, and you'll see the application, and just open it up and click yes. And then what it will do is it will analyze your computer and just show everything that's in there, like, you know, what graphics card, what CPU, how much RAM, how fast it's running, its timings, motherboard, you know, Windows 10, everything like that. Then from there, all you do is click File and click Save Snapshot, and then it will name it the name of your computer, and just maybe like save it to your desktop. So I'm going to click Save, and I already have a copy of it there, but I'm just going to replace it and say yes. Snapshot created, so I click OK. I can close Speccy, and here's the file right here. And then all I do is just go to Facebook, go to Messenger, and then you'd find me, and then just click attach a file, and then go to your desktop or wherever you save the file, the Speccy file, and just click it, click open, and then click send. And then what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to click it on my end, I'll be able to download it, and then I will be able to open it with Speccy, and Speccy will show me all the statistics for your PC. So hopefully it's not too much trouble. When you get time, please let me know, because I just really like comparing different specs between different computers. I use a couple different websites, one called Tech Power Up and one called like CPU Boss or whatever, CPU Benchmark, that just helps me like know how different components compare to one another, and I'm just really curious. So anywho, please do that when you get time. Thank you, love you, talk to you later, bye bye.